What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a first impression of a brand new house. I have not seen any person talk about this specific one. The house name is called Hayati, New York. The thing that caught my attention was the wonderful presentation. So these are just the bottles, and I ordered 2 fragrances. And along with the 2 fragrances, they sent a lot of other gifts. First, let me show you the gifts. So these are like 2 10 ml travel size fragrances. These are the 2 that I purchased. One is called Italian Leather. The other one is 1 Million Oud, 2 10 ml sizes. And look at this presentation. Like, you pull this thing out, lovely stuff. And also look at the bottles, like rectangular, very nice presentation, I must say. And they feel very premium to the touch. I will try my best to keep it short, but of course it's a brand new house, so it might take a while. And along with the purchase, they send you 2 samples of the fragrances that you buy. So they send out 1 Million Oud and Italian Leather samples, carded samples, so that you can try it out. And if you don't like it, you can always return it. You know me personally, I don't return stuff just like that. So let's look at the other gifts that they sent. They sent me some other fragrances. One of them is Rendezvous, Amar Oud, and Habibi Alibi. So 3 other carded samples, and I believe these are like 2 ml spray samples. Really generous offer. Thank you, Hayati, New York. And again, I believe this comes with all purchases. And now, oh, there was one like in a candy wrapper. I don't know what this is. I'll open it later on, but there's another little sample vial in there. So now let me show you the presentation. Look at this. It's nicely gift wrapped in this like nice paper. Feels extremely premium. This exactly reminded me of something in which Argus fragrance came in. Like when Argus fragrances, they send out your order, they have it wrapped like this. Beautiful concept. I really love it. So 2 fragrances, 2 boxes, and 2 wrappers. And of course, they will send you a catalog over here containing an information about all their fragrances, as you can see. So we will go through this later. First, let me open the fragrance that I'm most interested in. So the first one I'm really interested in is Italian Leather. I'm not sure which one is which, but my impression, because Italian Leather has some fresh nuances, some spiciness, and of course the leather is there. So I'm guessing it could probably smell something like Argos Brivido della Caccia or Rafa from Junaid Perfumes. So that's just my guess. It's a wild guess. Let's see. Let me open this specific one. Right? Look at this. Very premium. I mean, look at this. The box feels very heavy. I'm pretty sure the bottle's heavy too. That's the back of the box. And again, guys, this is only a first impression. Oh wow. Look. It's Italian Leather. That's the one I really wanted to look at. Wow. Look at that bottle. Just look at that bottle. It's exactly like you would see on the website. So definitely something very nice. It has the spring action. Very nice presentation. It's got that soft material to cushion the bottle. Some velvet right here. I'll put this on the side. The bottle is very heavy. Deep resinous color, opulent, and feels very premium. So the top part, it's all metal. Rose gold, copper tone, beautiful. That's the bottom. Wow. Impressive. So on the top, you've got cloves and cardamom. On the mids, you've got geranium and bergamot. On the base, you've got leather and birchwood sand. So strong, heavy, woody, dense kind of thing. That's what I'm expecting, and that's the only reason I bought this. Let's see what it smells like. My handy dandy tester strip. Whoa. My god. This is sensational. I mean, again, not a sponsored content, guys. Right. So I was sort of kind of correct when I was assuming it might smell somewhat close to Brivida della Caccia or Rafa from Junaid Perfumes. It kind of resembles these two, but it has its own DNA. Beautiful, it's so soft, like very luxurious. Smells like money right away. I'm gonna go on skin, man. I mean, this paper is not gonna cut it. The atomizer is really nice. Spray shoots out a lot of juice. Okay, so the cardamom is working really nice. Has this really nice cooling sensation. It's not too spicy. The clove is kind of like adding to that warmth. I feel that warmth, not directly like a clove, but it has that really nice warmth to it. The bergamot over here is sort of like in the sweet fruity nature. Very luxurious, and I'm assuming this is gonna take a while to dry down, so... Oh man. Doesn't feel too overpowering. That's the best part. Like, this is something that's probably gonna linger around. Has this tad bit of darkness to it. The leather's coming through. It's not like your super raw hide kind of smell. Luxurious smell. Very, very luxurious. And the birch is probably kind of adding to that smokiness. That's one down. Loved it. The cap clicks into place, and that's Hayati Italian leather. Beautifully done. Now I'm gonna go with 1 Million Oud. I'm not sure if they're replicating something with this one, but the notes over here on 1 Million Oud are, let's see. So on the top you've got some fruity peach and apple notes. On the mids you've got saffron, honey, and cloves. And on the base you've got amber, musk, and agarwood. I'm guessing something nice, sensual, fruity, alluring kind of smell. Some sweetness is gonna be there. Some kind of a consistency because it contains honey and some spiciness from that saffron and clove. Let's see what it does. The oud is there. I'm not sure what type of oud it is, so it's only a matter of time. Right, so unboxing Hayati New York 1 Million Oud. Let's see, guys, what this is all about. And this bottle is like, my god. I'm showing you all these things on the screen and everything so that you get an idea. So that's the fancy bottle that you see on the screen. And that's exactly what you get. Look at this, just like a bar of gold. Beautiful stuff. And again, guys, both of these fragrances, Hayati New York, is based out of USA. They are made in USA. That's what the company says. So, look at this. Beautiful stuff. Really, really loving this presentation. But it's a fingerprint magnet, as you can see. So I think it got scratched up a bit on the side, but that's okay. Can be dealt with. But yeah, it's a fingerprint magnet for sure. Let's go ahead and spray 1 Million Oud. Wow. 1 Million Oud certainly has like an Arabian kind of vibe, like a Middle Eastern kind of vibe. Certainly. Saffron is a bit sweet. You can feel it right away. Honey comes through right away. I think it's on like the more potent side of things. Really nice. So the fruit over here, as like on paper at least, the fruit is not super pronounced. I'll try on skin right now, but I'm just trying to get an understanding of what's going on. some kind of like a cooling sensation, some kind of like a powdery kind of thing going on, texture. Nice. Good, this is good. So I will be spraying 1 Million Oud on my right hand because on my left I sprayed that Italian leather. Let's go on skin. Look at the amount of juice it chewed out. Okay, the fruit is certainly not super pronounced. Might take a while to open up. Saffron, like I said, like on paper and also on skin, the saffron is just in the forefront, although it's in the mids, but it's like in the forefront. The honey is not super pronounced. It's not one of your like super, like super dense honey. It's on the lighter side of things. The fruits over here, as mentioned, like peach and what was it? Peach and apple. So I believe they're kind of like adding to the juiciness on the top. It does feel juicy and succulent. The apple is coming through now. It's more of not like the entire apple, but more so like the skin of the apple. Like if you chew on the skin, you get that sensation, the flavor, that kind of thing. That's what I'm getting at least. Peach is not super pronounced. I guess peach is probably acting as like a sweetener and like a juicy, succulent kind of vibe thing. Nice. There's no skanky oud in it, that's for sure. Like the oud is somewhere in the background, almost kind of feels a tad bit medicinal, but not too much. So guys, that's just my first impression of Hayati New York. Italian leather, 1 Million Oud. Very unique, I must say, although Italian leather tended to be a bit towards Brevida della Caccia from Argos, but if you have not tried that one, this will be very unique in your collection. Smells fantastic. First impression is very nice. The presentation, the amount of gifts and the free things they send you with your order. I mean, mind-blowing, hats off. Like Hayati New York, I'm really impressed. So wait until my full review because I'll be doing full wearings and of course I'll be giving you my honest opinion about this. And guys, remember this is not a sponsored content. Your like, share and comment means a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe and until the next one, please take care, stay safe and all the best.